are moving towards our destination. We just reach over here to city center for some small work, and now we are heading towards our destination, which is Global Village. So our cab guy is waiting outside. He's here, so we are going there. So guys, we had a drive for almost an hour, and now we start our journey at like almost 6 o'clock, and now it's 6:50 here because it was a little bit of traffic also. So I'll just show you. We are in the parking right now. We just get out from our car. So we are in the parking right now, and we are going to that side because that's the entrance of Global Village. And he is my co-host, my model, this whole vlog. Guys, as you can see, like it's too much crowd over here today. Maybe we heard that it's a last day today, so that's why also. So let's see. We will check with these guys, like is it the last day today or not yet? Because usually it closes in this time.
Today is last day, 18 May 2025.
So guys, today is the 18th and we came on the last day exactly. Like we are feeling already excited that it's the last day today for Global Village. It will close for the entire summer. Then whosoever want to visit over here, it will be again open in the winter time. We are heading towards the ticket counter. So guys, as you can see, like here is two type of options which we found. Like one is the manual line in which you have to wait and go to the counter and buy a ticket, and this side is like the online one which you can use by yourself. You can select the tickets, how many tickets you want, and just use your card or cash, whatever you have, you are carrying with yourself. And we bought the ticket from here only because it's a fast process, and which is very nice thing. See, so we got the tickets. See guys, these are the tickets which we have, and the best part is, like as you can see, they have a Play Store and App Store options also, so you can buy it online if you want to come over here. That will be more convenient for you in future. So it's like for me, it's for the first time and I came over here, but as in like in future if I have to come again, so most probably I will going to buy some tickets online already through the app, so it will be more convenient and save more of my time. So now we enter in this, and this is what we got. Our first impression is like, you guys see, like there are a lot of markets and some street foods areas where you can go. See, the first thing which I have seen over here is Indian Chaat Bazaar. Something which is very familiar to me, pure veg, and where I can have my own delicacies. Let's just see this is what we had over here. Some of good Indian street food restaurants. Like I can have some of my own food which I am aware with, but see this thing over here, like they made a truck which influencing Indian roads right now, which is very great. I love Desi Chinese, yeah, of course, man. Now I used to, this corner is called Delhi Dhaba. I hope they have the flavors of Delhi, because I'm damn sure that I am too much aware with Delhi food, so nobody can beat me in the flavors. And here, as you can see, this is, they create some great effects like Qatar Gate. Over here, the Jordan Gate. that's the Iran. So guys, with all these gates, I have found the Indian gate as well. As you can see over here, they made Connaught Place. It's the Connaught Place market area which they try to represent over here. Looks very nice.
Something is not there.
So guys, we are visiting India over here. Like they created a market. So over here they have all the products which is belongs from India only. So as you can see, Kashmir heritage. Yeah. So we found something interesting over here, like a cartoon picture the guy can make, a portrait. We are thinking to try this right now. So Mr. Nichaj, he has completed our photo over here. Yes. He has his own channel as well. So you can see over here the detail and everything on his channel. These guys go and like and subscribe his channel as well. He has a very great talent. Guys, as you see, like the portrait which came out is like very jolly. And we both love it a lot. It hardly took this guy to make it in just 10 minutes. Seriously, man, he's very good in his art. And he has his own YouTube channel which I showed you also. Like, please go hit the subscribe and like, support this guy also. He's very hardworking, man, because if you see, like, he's sitting in this open area over here and too much heat and creating these kind of things. So it's kind of a great experience if you guys ever come over there and help this guy also, because it's something like a talent which never going to be hide anyways, but it's so much nice. So after half an hour, Begum didn't find anything for her mother. We tried so many shops but we didn't found what we wanted. So now we are heading towards to the different areas. Let's see what we're going to find.
I don't know if it has it down there.
We were just there and explored the whole market, but unfortunately we didn't able to find the perfect dress for her mother. See guys, it's like UAE's traditional dance is happening over there with music and everything. Basically, these kind of things will make the night happening everywhere. Like, it's amazing. Look at this small girl over there, man. We're enjoying the club. So, guys, we had our shawarma and we decided to take some corn dog as well. So we choose two of the flavors. One is like with the Doritos and one with the Cheetos. We are going to share and let's see how this corn dog is going to be taste like. Excited? Shawarma, corn dog is coming. So now we are looking for a table because it's like everywhere is full. We want to sit somewhere, guys. Let's see where we can find the space. So we got the table, guys. See, here our shawarma, condo. Begum has already jumped on the food. She's ready. Hopefully it's finished, but now we can have our food in peace. Guys, after having this corn dog, we are feeling so full. It feels like we are already filled up till here. But we still want to explore like which more food counters are there, and we are about to enter in China market also. See guys, this is the China market. As you can see guys, the concept of the market is like totally belongs to the China. If you see, it will showcase the typical markets in China. So as we just enter in this shop, and we have like lots of Chinese products. As you can see, Lay's in truffle also over here. Some matcha teas. And we just bought some stuff from here. It's with Begima already. She is leading this entire shopping right now. So guys, right now we are in this Russian section of market. As you can see, all is related to gangs and army stuff. These are the famous dolls over here from Russia. What we call these dolls? Madryoshka, guys, see. Whenever I see these dolls, guys, literally like I remember the iconic scene Delhi Belly. I hope those who knows, who knows. And over there is we have Sri Lanka. Bangladesh also over there. See this side. This way is for the America. We are just under there. As you can see. Suddenly this show got started over here, so we are just going to have a look like what is this. guys, we are entering in the American market right now. So guys, we entered in the Korean market right now and see in the middle what they have. This Squid Game theme. So guys, we finally found what we love to have a lot, mochis here. As you can see,
Show inside one.
so now this market theme is based on Japan. So you can see like it's very good. But why Sri Lanka? What Sri Lanka is doing over here, man?
Today it's closing, yeah?
Yeah. There's a lot happening today because of the last day of Global Village. That's why they are doing some fireworks also for the closing purpose. Guys, we find something exciting over here after like exploring the entire area, because the stage show is happening over there in front of us, and it's just front of the stage show we have this floating market. This looks very nice because see, they made a theme of floating market over here. It's very nice. Even they have the benches over here if you want to eat something. It's a very nice spot, guys, over here. Guys, after so much walk, I just found out this monument miniature copy over here. There's a legit copy of Taj Mahal, if you guys can see, and let me know in the comments also what you think, that it's a Taj Mahal or no. I believe like it's a Taj Mahal only. So guys, as we enter in the Turkey area, so we head to this shop like where you can costume yourself and take photos. I also joined this section over here and took some photos. So I will show you. I will put some photos in the brief video. So just let me know when you will see and inform me like how you like it or not. So guys, I have find something very interesting over here. This is a door, and here you can see some stars, and it's not a regular stars. It's like it shows that the celebrities who came over here. And see guys, here Shah Rukh Khan's signature is there. You can see the Neha Kakkar ones also, Sunidhi Chauhan. So these people have visited this place, and might be any kind of performance they had did over here previously from all around the world, not just Indian peoples. Here the Sonu So I can see Shreya Ghoshal is there. So guys, now we enter in this play zone area. As you can see, the amusement park type thing over here. They call this section carnivals. Here it's a famous very basic games they have here. Guys, I'm just in the middle of this carnival area. As you can see, all the rides over here. So guys, now we are entering in this exoplanet. I don't know what is inside of this, but the theme is something like from future and space. You can see. I don't know if you can see it or not. It looks like very 3D, like somebody has captured this from the surface of moon. This also looks very 3D.
Даже see from close he looks so scary. Look at phone. Look at his eyes.